Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. The 6-lane elevated corridor project in Porvorim has turned life into a nightmare for residents who are grappling with severe dust pollution and an impending health crisis. Locals are raising a critical question on who will be held accountable for the respiratory illness caused by this pollution and who will support those already battling ailments like asthma.
Major citizens of this land here, they go away from here because there is no proper pathway to walk and a safety measure taken into consideration.
Have you come personally and inspected that stretch? Because the residents living there, he cannot even breathe. And as you said, there is a water coming, those guys don't come up that side at all. So please come personally and check what is actually happening. See, they may tell you one thing and they're doing another. I'm sure we have a stretch of people living there. Yes.
Sir, the dust is really bothering us. We have kids, grandchildren also in the house. They are all falling sick. And if you just...
No, see, dust, I understand there is a problem. There is a problem. As I said, let me complete. What is happening is that once we are putting the traffic on the side paths, those side paths were never experienced of having the traffic vibrations and the loads. Because of these issues, what is happening that randomly the pipelines everywhere which were laid back years ahead, around 50, 60 years old pipelines, those joints are giving way randomly, which is resulting in random leakages of the water lines. Now, including the water lines, the electrical lines are also going over there. You might have seen that in random places we have done the excavations where the people will be seen working on the either electrical cable or on the water joints. This is something which is now almost we have covered. There are few more viable locations where it has to be done. During this during this excavation process and the electrical joints and other things, what happens is that we try to avoid the laying of water or the sprinkling of the water. This was an issue in the last 5-6 days or the last 10 days. I understand. Now most of those things have been attended, barring few things. In the next 3 to 4 days to come, you will see there will be improvement. As I said, as I already confirmed, you will have a one contact person for water sprinkling. Any time of the day, you see a problem, you can immediately call that person, ask him to take it immediately.
आयज आमी ग्राम सभेन आमकां एक डिमांड येयल्लो प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ हायवेचे. सो आमी तितून तेंकां सगल्यांक आफोवन आमी एक मिटींग घेतली आमच्या लोकलांक सगल्यांक, आनी तेतून तेंच्यांनी आपणाचे जे कितें इश्यूज आसले ते तेंच्यांनी मांडलेले आहा. डस्ट पोल्युशनाचे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम, वॉटर प्रॉब्लम, आनी सॉर्टर आसा तेणी बीन आपणाचे कितें इश्यूज आहा ते मांडलेले आहा. डॉक्टर प्रभू तेणी बीन आपणाचे इश्यूज तेंकां जे कितें आमच्या लोकांक प्रॉब्लम आसले ते तेंच्या बरोबर तेंच्यांनी उलयल्ले आहा आनी ते आतां सॉर्टर करतले. आनी हो इश्यू खरेंच आमकां बरें दिसलें की आमच्या लोकांनी सगळे इश्यूज मांडले म्हणून, कित्याक तेंकां बीन मागीर फाटल्यान आनी उलोवंक नाका अशें केलां तशें केलां म्हणून. सो हांव तेंकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तेंच्यांनी आमचे सगळे इश्यूज आयकून घेतले आनी तेजेर तेंच्यांनी तेंचे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जातले म्हणून मागता.
The pot of water being ferried from the polluted River Sal to New Delhi for the Republic Day event carries more than just contaminants. It reflects systematic neglect. Despite multiple court directives and action plan, the river's health continues to deteriorate. Locals are questioning the purpose of this gesture, stressing that meaningful action would involve cleaning the river and implementing robust pollution control measures.
Republic Day udo hota hai te bore ha. It's a very proud moment. Goinch udo third largest river of Goa. River Salmutai ती आमगेली माय ती सासकीची लोकांची, साउथ गोवा लोकांची आनी स्पेशली सासकीची सालसेरी लोकांची माय ती. पूण आयज तेजी परिस्थिती आहा ती परिस्थिती कितें लोकांक कळो जाय. रियलिटी बिस्ते रिवर सालाको येवन जुरामेंत गेलो, ओत गेलो, कोतले म्हूण आनी मागीर हाटल्यान दुसरी जात तेश कोन फटोवपा येना. लोकांक देखून फटोवपा येना. यू शूड नॉट इवन लाय टू युअर सेल्फ येना. हे स्क्रॅप यार्डाचो हे मनशान सगळे फ्रेश वॉटर जे सगळे जे पॅसेज आहे सगळे पॅसेज त्याने बंद केलाय कॅचमेंट एरियाचे स्क्रॅप यार्ड मनशान. So there's no flow of water तूं आतां दिसता की चोयल्यार घाण माता हे रिवर्स साल खाटचे रिवर्स साल पूण रिवर्स साला हे उदो आम लोकां दाखोवपाक द रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. Is this what we are trying to show to the rest of India, that Riversal, this is our Riversal? No. Our Riversal at once upon a time was a river which was so clean. आमी थिंग रॉक ते थिंग न्हावपा वयताले. आमी तूं थिंग गेल्यार तूं जर तो थिंग हात गायल्यार तूं कुसतलो. So it's very hurtful. As a Goan, I'm proud that it's going for the Republic Day parade. But under what circumstances?
ल्हानपणसान हो आमगे रिवर्साल आसा आमगे लायफान आमी मडगांव दिसता वयताले लो टायड आसल्या आमकां आतां एशें मच बी काण ती सायड वचून नाताले आनी मच काण आमी रिवर क्रॉस करताले आनी येता आहा तशें करताले आमी लो टायड आसल्या आमी इश्ट मितल्यान गरयताले मागीर आमी नुस्तें मारताले म्हाका एक गुड आसता आमी ल्हान आसतना नको तितू ल्हान आसतना आमी शेमाय देखून फर्स्ट संडे आमी एगोचे पास जाता त्या दिसा आमी पुलाक वचा हिंगा हारेपान तुजे कडेन सगळे जाणटे म्हणाका भुरगे म्हणाका सगळे हितूर देंवन पागेल घेवन जावं कांटाळ घेवन जावं हॉर्बॉल घेवन नुस्तें मारताले आतां ती उदकां हात घालपाक गरज ना. फाटीं सायंटिस्ट येयल्ले वर्ल्ड वॉटर डे आहले ब्राझिला सो जावं सायंटिस्ट येयले तें हांव कितें मोतालें तें सॅम्पल काडलें आनी तें म्हणलें सॅम्पलान लॅबोरेटरी व्हरपाक गरज ना आमी हिंगा डिक्लेअर करता इट्स हायली पोल्युटेड.
तुम्ही म्हणताय अजूनही
कितले कडेन बीन मोलो थोड्याचे ते सॅम्पल काडले हिंगाय काडले माडला काडले मागीर आमी बुडबुड्या थोड्या गेले ते फावन क्लिनस वॉटर वॉज इन ते बुडबुड्या थोड्या थिंगा सो हिंगा ते म्हणले द ऑक्सिजन लेवल इन द वॉटर इज व्हेरी लो आनी इट्स हायली पोल्युटेड.
सिग्निफिकंट मेन म्हणजे जे डिफरंट रिवर्स अक्रॉस इंडिया हाजे हे रिपब्लीक डे सेलिब्रेट कित्याक एक नॅशनल ऑनर अशें म्हणटा. पूण आतां हो जो हें आसा रिवर्सालांतल्यान रिवर्साल सेलेक्ट जावपाचें हें आमी एक ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगायज म्हणून पळयता. कित्या खातीर कित्याक इतली वर्सां इतले डिकेड सांगपा म्हळ्यार लोक हें करीत आसा आवाज उठयत आसा रिगार्डींग द पोल्युशन. आमच्या सपूत घेवपी आमदार मडगांवचा सांगपा म्हळ्यार तो कशे भाशेन सपूत घेवन आपल्या स्वार्था खातीर फायदा पडटा ते भाशेन हो आनी एक एग्जाम्पल आसा. एक सपोज जो डिफेक्शन करचें म्हण तो केल्लो तो जालोच. आतां रिवर्स सालाच्या बँकारूय रावन ताणें सपोज घेतिल्लो की रिवर्स साल आमी प्रोटेक्ट करता पूण तातूंतल्यान ताचो हेतू दुसरोच आशिल्लो. मेन तांचें आशिल्लें की ते डिसिल्टिंगाचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तांकां.
In the recent report issued by the Union Ministry for Environment, Forest and Climate Change highlighted that Goa, along with 9 other states, has failed to establish a plastic waste management unit in village blocks. Under the Plastic Waste Management Rules 2016, local bodies including panchayats and municipalities are responsible for collecting and transporting plastic waste. Despite this, Goa generates an average of 29,000 tons of plastic waste annually. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to people on whether panchayats and municipalities should be held accountable and penalized for failing in waste management duties.
आतां एक सामको बरो सब्जेक्ट जाल्लो आसा. म्हाका दिसता एक खंय तरी टावन प्लॅनिंग सुद्दां फाटीं पडलो आसतलो वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कन्सिडर केलो कित्याक वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटात चड खर्च जाता. साबार भशेन ते डस्टबीन म्हणनाका मागीर ते बारीक प्लांट म्हणनाका कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स म्हणनाका फॉर वेस्ट कलेक्शन हे सगळे एक हें जाल्लें आसा. म्हणजे एक भांगरा तांतीक दिवपी कोंबडी जाल्ले आहा म्हणल्यार जाता. आनी हातून सांगपा म्हळ्यार आतां म्युन्सिपालिटी जेन्ना आमी पळयतात म्युन्सिपालिटी कडेन पूण हें आसा मॅन पावर आसा कलेक्शन करपाक जावं प्लेस आसा डिस्पोज करपाक. पूण पंचायता हातून कितें जाता कितलेशे पंचायता कडेन प्लेसूच ना डिस्पोज करपाक. इवन फाल्यां सपोज तेमी कलेक्शन स्टार्ट केलें डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन स्टार्ट केलें ऑफ वेट वेस्ट जाल्यार ते डिस्पोज खंय करतले तो एक प्रश्न पडटा. कितलेशे पंचायत ड्राय वेस्ट कलेक्शन करता बरें पूण तेमचे कडेन ते हें जायना बरे भशेन मॅनेज करपाक जायना कित्याक MRF फेसिलिटी घालपाक तांचे कडेन लुगार आसना. सो हांगा गव्हर्मेंटान तांच्या आदारा येवपा जाय पंचायत एरिया स्पेशली की तांकां कशें करून बेल आवट करचें. हायकोर्ट डायरेक्शन दितात की प्रत्येक पंचायतान MRF फेसिलिटी घालची म्हणून पूण प्लेस कोण दितलो. पंचायताचे आपले जे ऑफिस स्टाफ आहा ते सोडले जाल्यार आनी दुसरो स्टाफ आसत ना ते कडेन वर्कर अशें मागीर ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बी हें करून कलेक्शन करता बरें पूण ते मॅनेजमेंट सारकें जायना कित्याक तांकां ते भशेन साधन आसना. सो गव्हर्मेंट बी तितलोसो दोशी आसा की लोकल बॉडीजान जाय तो ते भाशेन सपोर्ट दिनात.
आता आमी पळोवंक गेल्यार गोवा पंचायत राज ऍक्ट आहा आणि गोवा म्युनिसिपॅलिटीज ऍक्ट आहा. दीज ऍक्ट्स स्टेट व्हेरी क्लियरली दॅट दे कॅन चार्ज गार्बेज टॅक्स आणि ते गार्बेज टॅक्स आमचे कडेन ते घेताना त्यांची ती ड्युटी जाता की गार्बेज पळय आहा ती साफ करपाक जाय. आता ते साफ करिना जाल्यार आमी तांकां नॉट ओन्ली लिगली हें करूंक जाता पूण आमी तांकां वी कॅन टेक दिस मॅटर अप. आमी भरपूर कडेन आमी पळयल्या आमी वयता थिंगा डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ पंचायतसान कंप्लेंट फायल केल्या, डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ म्युनिसिपॅलिटीजान कंप्लेंट्स फायल केल्या आनी मागीर ते एक्शन घेता. तरी एक्शन घेयना जाल्यार PIL फायल करूंक जाता. बट आमी इन मल्टिपल लोकॅलिटीज एंड मल्टिपल प्लेसीस आमी ते ऍक्ट्स अँड द प्रोविजन्स इन दी ऍक्ट्स ते वापरून कंप्लेंट फायल केल्या. NGTन कंप्लेंट्स फायल केल्या, गोवा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान फायल केल्या. अंडर द सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट रूल्स कंप्लेंट्स फायल केल्या. अंडर द गोवा एन्व्हायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन ऍक्ट्स आमी कंप्लेंट्स फायल केल्या. अंडर एव्हरी ऍक्ट, अंडर एव्हरी लॉ कंप्लेंट्स कॅन बी फायल्ड अँड द पीपल कॅन बी हेल्ड अकाउंटेबल.
वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचो इश्यू गाजो जाता. वयता वयता पंचायतींनी तशें म्युनिसिपालिटी एरियांनी वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कलेक्शन सारकी जायना म्हणून वेरियस डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान कंप्लेन येता, पब्लिका कडल्यान कंप्लेन वयता आनी मेन करून गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्ड सुद्दां शोकस नोटीस इश्यू करता पंचायती एरिया सारकेल्या पंचायतीक. पूण हेजेर गव्हर्मेंट खंयच एक्ट जाता तो दिसना. आतां मेन करून एक्ट कोणाचेर जावपाक आसता, पंचायतीचेर नाजाल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटीचेर एक्ट जावन कांय फायदो ना. कित्याक म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी पंचायती जे बाबू बसलेले आहा, सरकारी बाबू नाजाल्यार सरपंच, डेप्युटी सरपंच, चेअरपर्सन, ही एक्शन म्हणटा ती तेंचेर जावपाक जाय. कित्याक हे तेंचे फेल्युअराक लागून आज वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटचो इश्यू गोंयांत खूब प्रमाणान वाडलेलो आसा आनी ते मॅनेजमेंट सारकी जावपाक जायना. आनी हितूंक लाखांनी करोडांनी पयशे मोडून सुद्दां जो पब्लीक फंड यूज करून सुद्दां बरो तरेन यूज जायना म्हणून आयज हे जे कोण सरपंच, डेप्युटी सरपंच नाजाल्यार सेक्रेटरी, चेअरपर्सन जे ऑफिसर आहा पळय न्हू तेंचेर एक्शन जावपाची. तांकां खंय तरी तांकां पनिशमेंट दिवपाक जाय सरकारान. हें खंय जाता तें दिस पडना.
Whether panchayats and municipalities should be made liable and punished for not handling the waste management properly. I will say in a one single sentence, no. No. Just because panchayat bodies are there, don't dump everything on them and make them the scapegoats. I have always said whenever that question comes about putting law and order in situation, corruption in situation, first punish the people right on top. Just like the job scam case, start the punishment from the top. Automatically everybody else will fall in place. It is the engine that goes in front. If the engine is on the right track, the bogies will follow. If the engine collapses, the bogies will collapse. So in this case also, in waste management, I have been making so many statements and so many suggestions to see that at least some dustbins are made available on the main roads and the side roads, at least at 200 meters, a dry and a waste dustbin, so that the collection points become easier. Otherwise, anyway, people are just dumping them on the roadside. People cannot provide dustbin, but you talk about high-tech events. If this has to be done, liable and punished, it has to start from the top. Right from the governor to the chief minister and then come down.
A shocking case of alleged harassment and legal misuse has emerged from Bengaluru, where a 34-year-old engineer, Atul Subhash, ended his life. His story, documented in a harrowing 67 minutes video, accuses his wife and in-laws of relentless mental and legal harassment.
Atul Subhash, originally from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, was a promising engineer working in Bengaluru. But the weight of constant allegations and legal battles became too much for him to bear. In a video recorded before his tragic death, Atul named his wife, Nikita Singhania, her mother, brother, and cousin, accusing them of extortion and filing false cases. Atul claimed they conspired to ruin him financially and emotionally.
उनको तो 40 बार बेंगलोर, कम से कम 40 बार गया होगा बेंगलोर से जौनपुर, और माने इतनी धारा उस पर एक खत्म हो जाता था केस तो दूसरा लगा देती थी। इस बात के कारण जो है तो भीतर से फ्रस्ट्रेट था, लेकिन हम लोग को महसूस नहीं होने दिया कि क्या है नहीं है। एकाएक हम लोग को खबर गई है कि वो अपना पूरा मेल वगैरह हमारे छोटे लड़के को रात में किया है 1:30 बजे 2 बजे, हमारे पास 3 बजे उसका फोन आया है। उसके बाद हम लोग कैसे कैसे करके वहां से पटना आए हैं, एयरपोर्ट पटना से बेंगलोर पहुंचे 4।
According to video, in their 5-year marriage, Atul faced over 120 court hearings. He travelled 40 times between Bengaluru and Jaunpur to appear in court, leaving his work and mental health in shambles. Atul alleged that a Jaunpur family court judge demanded a bribe of 5 lakh rupees to settle the case. When he refused, a maintenance order of 40,000 rupee per month was passed against him for his 2-year-old daughter. He also accused his wife of seeking 3 crore rupees in maintenance.
Atul Subhas on the 9th of early morning committed a suicide. Regarding this issue, his brother has given a complaint in Marthali police station, stating that there are multiple cases running on him in Uttar Pradesh. The family members of his wife and their relatives demanded money for settling these issues. So they harassed him. For that reason, he has committed suicide. He has given a statement. Based on that, we have registered a abatement for suicide under 108 of BNS in Marthali PS. Investigation is ongoing.
So, did you speak to the family members of the Nikita?
Yeah, our investigation officer, the family members, the deceased brother has been given a detailed statement. So we are sending a team to UP.
मेरी बस डिमांड ये है कि मेरे भाई को जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए। मुझे और कोई सिस्टम से ये अपेक्षा है कि मेन के लिए भी कोई कानून आए। जो मेरे भाई के साथ हुआ वैसे बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ इस देश में हो रहा है, उस चीज़ को गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया समझे। एक मेन की लाइफ भी एक उतनी इम्पोर्टेंट है जितनी एक फीमेल की लाइफ है। मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा ना हो जाए आगे आने वाले सिस्टम में कि लोग मेन को ऐसा डर लगने लगे कि मैं शादी कर रहा हूँ तो सही कर रहा हूँ या नहीं कर रहा हूँ। उसको ये डर ना मिले कि क्या मैं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ ATM मशीन बन के रह जाऊंगा, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो है वो पैसा ही देना है।
The tragic end of Atul Subhash's life has sparked debates about the misuse of legal systems and the mental toll it can take.
I think it's a very, very serious matter, and being a criminal lawyer for now over 3 decades, I have seen how 498A has been misused by our own people, legal fraternity, the police machinery, the disgruntled ladies, those who have filed all these cases. I have seen it from my own eyes in the last three decades. But this incident has actually triggered the controversy and has brought the issue before everybody in the country. I think this issue now should be taken very, very seriously, because 498A misuse should be curbed, because it has an impact on the social fabric of our society. There are false allegations which are not only filed against the husband, the word used is relative. So even against the father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-laws, the jijas of the family, they are also implicated in these kind of cases, and most of them are false.
In his final message, Atul requested his ashes not be immersed until justice is served. He pleaded with the judiciary to protect his family from further harassment. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
The Disability Rights Association of Goa has demanded the Goa Human Rights Commission to shift the venue of International Human Rights Day program to be held on December 13th. The Commission's office is not accessible for persons with disability and the elderly in violation of Sections 3 and 40 of the Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016. The DRAC president demanded that if the venue of the program is not shifted, then the association will hold a protest outside the Commission's office.
There is no update. We have demanded the Goa Human Rights Commission along with Goa CAN is organizing the International Day of Human Rights on the 13th of December at India office at the old education department, which is not accessible for persons with disability. And it is a mandate of the Human Rights Commission to look into the human rights of persons with disabilities also. So we are very shocked that in spite of knowing all this, the Human Rights Commission is organizing the International Human Rights Day function at their premises, which is not accessible for persons with disability, and in violation of Section 3 and Section 40 of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. So we are demanding that they shift the venue immediately, following which will be forced to have a protest of persons with disability on the 13th of December at outside their office. We have also received information that the Goa Social and Cultural Center, in association with the Directorate of Art and Culture, Directorate of Tourism, Fundasa Orient, and many other organizations, are organizing the 57th All Goa State Level Mando Festival at the Institute Minesis Braganza on the 11th and 12th of December. We have also written, in this connection, we have written to the Director of Art and Culture and the Director of Tourism and the Fundasa Orient, demanding that the venue of the the Mando Festival be shifted immediately, following which we will have to, not only we will have a protest, but we will file a criminal case of disrespect and insult to persons with disability.
Another financial fraud have surfaced against Yogeshwar Shetkar, the Margao Municipal Council clerk, recently arrested for embezzling funds from Feast Fair. On Tuesday, the Margao Congress bloc accused Shetkar of running an investment scam through a private company while employed as a government official. The company allegedly promised investors returns of Rs 1,000 per day on investments of Rs 1 lakh after a 12-month lock-in period.
आणि हांगा आमकां दिसून येता की ताणी एक फायनान्स कंपनी ओपन केली, केल्ली आहा आनी ताणी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट घेतल्या लोकांकडे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट घेतल्या एक स्कीम तयार करून. आता आमचे कडेन जे डॉक्युमेंट आसा ताणी रिसीट सुद्धा दिल्ली आसा. डायरेक्टर म्हणतो ते कंपनीचो तो डायरेक्टर अशें म्हणून ताणी रिसीट दिल्या. आनी स्कीम कशी, सपोज 1 लाख रुपया भरलो ताच्या स्किमीन जाल्यार 12 महिन्याचो लॉक इन पिरियड आसा. 12 महिन्याचो तेचे डेपोजीट उरता आनी 12 महिने जाले उपरांत त्या इन्व्हेस्टराक प्रत्येक दिसाक 1000 तेणी फारीक करपाचे म्हणून जाता. अशें म्हणून तेणी एग्रीमेंट सुद्धा सायन केल्लो आसा. स्टॅम्प पेपराचेर एग्रीमेंट सायन केल्लो आसा आनी थंय म्हणटा की प्रत्येक दिसाक 1000 फॉर 365 डेज तो ते इन्व्हेस्टराक फारीक करता म्हणून ही स्कीम. आता जेन्ना लोकांक हे पयशेच मेळना जाले तेन्ना आता लोक भायर सरपाक लागले की हाजेर आमकां हें दिवचें म्हणून. सो हें जे सगळें चालू आसा आनी हें 22 दीस इज बाय द वे 22 इन 2022 हो सायन जाल्लो. सो हाज्या पयलीं हें जें कारस्थान जालें पळय तेज्या पयलीं खबर येता आनी कितलेशे असले लोक आहा ते आतां येतले संदर्भात हाजेर ऑफिशियली कंप्लेंट करपाक.
Shirley MLA Delilah Lobo alongside the Anjuna police inspector and panchayat members conducted a raid on an illegal hookah shop in Grand Chivar operating without panchayat permission. On Tuesday, the MLA highlighted the proliferation of establishments selling vapes, e-cigarettes, hookahs and other banned substances in the Anjuna Kaisua panchayat jurisdiction and called for stringent action to curb these activities.
आमच्या वागातोर पेट्रोल पंपाच्या ऑपोजिट I was just passing this side. I saw this shop, hookah shop. आणि आम्ही आमच्या अंजुना PI घेऊन हांगा येयले and with his help हे पळय हांगा हा पळय वो ओनर तेजो. I asked him what permission he has to run this business over here first of all, which is banned. त्याच्याकडे पंचायतीच्या पासून परमिशन ना. I have made a letter to deputy collector, to the panchayat and to the PI. हांगाच न्हू, दिस इज वन सच शॉप. कितलीच शॉपां हांगा अंजुना आमी पळयल्या. एंड आय हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड द डेप्युटी कलेक्टर की थ्रू द PI तेणे ही सगळी शॉपां सील केल्ली जाय. हुक्का विकतात ओपन आनी पंचायत परमिशन कित्याकूच ना. हें चल्लां आमच्या अंजुना. आय थिंक द ऑनरेबल CM हॅज टू लूक इन टू दीस अँड दीस थिंग शूड नॉट हॅपन. आमची ट्युरिस्ट स्टेट म्हणटात आणि हे बाबा कितें हे पळय या पोती ओपन कर हितून सगळे हा सिगरेट्यो आणि हांगा कितें कितें हा ते आमकांच कळना
खोलो हे
आणि हे न्हू आणि खूब आहात हांवें आमच्या पियाक सांगलां सगळ्या वसात कोणशांनी आणि हेजेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवन व्हडली शॉपां सील जाल्ली जाय. इट इज बॅन्ड सबस्टन्स आणि ते ओपनली अरे न्ही हुक्का शॉप म्हणून घातला वयल्यान पळय दिसत
मॅडम असली शॉपां ह्या एरियेन कितली अंजुना
अरे
भागात
कितली हा ती पियान पळोवंक नाका आता हांव पास जाताले हांवें हुक्का शॉप हें केलें.
The operetta Porgotna, staged on December 10, 2024 at Borda Margaon, captivated an audience of over 3,000 from across the state. Priest, nun and lay people alike were moved to tears by the heartfelt depiction of the life of Saint Francis Xavier.
होय तांचे बरोबर 3 भारतीय पाद्री असले. तांच्या आदारान तो तामीळ शिकलो आणि हे भासांनी ताणें धर्म प्रचार केलो.
ह्या वाटांनी ताणें कंप्युटरचा वापर करून भुरग्यांक दोतोर शिकयली.
भुरग्यांक म्हजेशी येवंक दिया तांकां आडय नाका. ही जेजूची उतरां घेवन तो भुरग्यांक भावार्थाची ओळख दितालो. ल्हानांक तशेंच व्हडलेल्यांक कांपिणी वरवीं एकठांय करतालो.
Depicted his whole life in a very touching manner, and I've come from Patna and I had tears in my eyes, especially when that crab brought the cross, meaning to say even the little creature is in his evangelization work. So my message is go and proclaim Christ to the whole world.
हांगासर बोर्डा हांगासर आमी जायतो लोक ह्या शोआक आयलो. म्हजे दिन भास करीत भाशेन आमचो भाव फादर सायमन डिकोन्या आनी ताचो सगळो पंगड बोर्डेची भावां भयणां जायतीं जाणां हांगासर आयलीं. तांकांय म्हजे खेरीत दिनवास. बागीवन फ्रांसीस शावेराची देखीन आमी जेजूचे परगोटणार जावचे हेच म्हजें आवडे आनी हें एक्सपोजिशन जें चालू आसा भावार्थान मोगान तातूंत आमी वांटो घेवया.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and X. Take care and goodbye.